In this tutorial we will talk about the new feature called 3D Smile Simulation. The 3D Smile Simulation can be used for a motivational smile design, and/or for the smile planning of edentulous patients. The goal is to design a smile, facially driven, and use that reference for a 3D design, creating a full arch implant bridge or a removable denture. In the first step, we AI analyze the face, facial proportions and characteristic and calculate an initial 3D smile. The advantage of the 3D simulation is that the generated model can be rotated towards the facial orientation. The 2D limitations are solved. The 3D simulation result is accurate and can be used in the 3D design and planning. Adjust the position of the smile facially driven. Use the facial flow to check facial proportions, midline, smile exposure. You can easily change the smile dominance, adjust the position of the mandible to the picture. The buccal corridor can also be easily defined using the slider. The lip line is automatically marked by SmileFy. You can click the button Mark Lip and adjust the dots if necessary. The marked lip line will define the area in which the smile is displayed. Turn off the outline option, and you can display the smile in the face. With the facial flow option, you can now analyze the result and make the needed adjustments. You have all options: position, rotation and size. Go to the 3D Light menu and finalize the 3D smile design. Also, a very powerful feature is to discuss with the patient the form of the templates: open embrasures, closed embrasures, square incisor edges or different teeth forms.